Animals quiz for kids. Hi kids! Welcome to our fun English quiz. Today we are going to guess some animals. Are you ready? Let's start. What is this? Can you guess? Is it dog, cat, or cow? Make your choice. Yes, it's a cat. Good job. Look at this picture. What is it? Is it fish, shark, or whale? Make your choice. Yes, it's a fish. You are amazing. What is this big animal with a long nose? Is it rhino, elephant, or hippo? Make your choice. Yes, it's an elephant. Well done. Look at this picture. What is it? Is it chicken, duck, or penguin? Make your choice. Yes, it's a duck. You are smart. This animal has long ears, then hops. Is it rabbit, cat, or squirrel? Make your choice. Yes, it's a rabbit. Great work. This is the king of the jungle. Is it tiger, leopard, or lion? Make your choice. Yes, it's a lion. Awesome. This animal can fly in the sky. Is it owl, bird, or duck? Make your choice. Yes, it's a bird. You did it. This pet loves to bark and wag its tail. Is it dog, cat, or wolf? Make your choice. Yes, it's a dog. Great job. This animal gives us milk. Is it goat, horse, or cow? Make your choice. Yes, it's a cow. Super. This insect has beautiful wings and flies. Is it butterfly, bee, or bird? Make your choice. Yes, it's a butterfly. You are awesome. Great job, friends. You did an amazing job today. Thanks for playing with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quizzes and games. See you next time. Bye-bye.